Hello, welcome to my channel, Bright Mathematical Solutions. Today we are looking at three test 3G of our series, which is steps to quantitative reasoning. And we have this example, and we need to study it so that we can answer the questions that follow. Now we have 15, 16, 6, and 5. Now the first thing, 6 multiplied by 5, that gives us 30. 30 multiplied by 2 give us 60. 30 divided by 2 will give us 15. Let us see whether it works for the second operation. 7 multiplied by 2, that gives us 14. 14 multiplied by 2, that gives us 28. 14 divided by 2, that gives us 7. For the last one, 16 multiplied by 3, that gives us 48. 48 multiplied by 2, that's 96. 40 divided by 2, that's 24. So that's the operation that works behind this example. Now let us take this into our solution. We have unknown here. We were given 32. Remember, the resultant here is what we are multiplying 2 with, that gives us this. So let's divide 2. 32 divided by 2, that gives us 16. So if you divide 16 by 4, that gives us 4. So our answer here is 4. So our answer here is C. So if you multiply this by this, will give you 16. 16 divided by 2 will give you 8. 16 multiplied by 2 will give you 32. So that's correct. So for the next one, 1 multiplied by 1, that gives us 1. If you divide it by 2, give us what is here. So our answer is 1 over 2. That's E. And for the next one, remember, when we divide is when we get what is here. So let us divide this by 2. That gives us 54. 54 divided by 9, that gives us 6. So our answer here is 6. To check if we are correct, 9 multiplied by 6, that's 54. 54 divided by 2, that's 27. 54 multiplied by 2, that's 108. And the last one, 10 multiplied by 10, that's 100. Divided by 2, that's 50. So our answer here is 50. So that is that. If you have any question, please put it in the comment section. I will attend to it. Till I see you next time, please subscribe to this channel and be good.